cracked. Cap's all messed up. And we're gonna throw this one in. Doesn't quite bolt up the same, I don't think. Maybe it is. There's a self-tapper or something right there. There we go. New coolant reservoir, or window washer reservoir. Alright, there's a new O-ring on here, and a new O-ring on the top end of this housing. I'm gonna shove this up here. I don't have any torque specs on this, so just get it snug. All right. Before I put it on, I'm going to make sure this area is all super clean. As you can tell, it's really dirty right now, so I'll clean it up. Maybe I'll tighten those transmission pan bolts